Now we will discuss factors affecting the diffusion of liquids. There are four factors which affect the diffusion. They are named intermolecular forces, size of molecules, shapes of molecules, and temperature. Now we will discuss one by one. Intermolecular forces. Liquids having intermolecular forces diffuses faster than those having stronger intermolecular forces. वो लिक्विड्स जिनके दरमियान कशिश की क़ुव्वतें मजबूत होती हैं वो डिफ्यूजन में ज़्यादा टाइम लेते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू दोज मॉलिक्यूल्स इन विच द इंटरमॉलिकुलर फोर्सेज आर वीकर वन, जिनमें इंटरमॉलिकुलर फोर्सेज कमज़ोर होती हैं. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड another type which is called the another factor which affect the diffusion, that is called the size of the molecule. Big size molecules diffuses slowly in water or in any liquid. For example, honey diffuses slowly in water than that of alcohol in water. That's indicating bigger the size of the molecule, difficulty in the process of diffusion. Smaller the size of the molecule, the diffusion rate is fastest one, which, and as we have taken the example of dissolution of honey into water is a difficult process, while alcohol molecules they are smaller in size, they diffuse in water molecules rapidly. The next is the factor which affect the diffusion, that is called the shape of a molecule. Shapes of a molecule. Regular shaped molecule diffuses faster than irregular shaped molecule. Regular shaped molecules, they can easily slip over and move faster one. Temperature is another factor which affect the rate of diffusion. Diffusion increase by increasing temperature. Diffusion बढ़ता है जैसे ही temperature increase होता है, because at high temperature intermolecular forces become weaker due to high kinetic energy. This article is very simple one. Previously you have learnt it in gaseous phases with smaller differences.